Have you ever considered how healthcare systems decide which treatments to fund, especially when resources are limited? It is a complex challenge, requiring careful thought about how we measure the value of health itself. Quality-adjusted life years, or QALYs, are a widely used metric in health economics to quantify the health benefits of medical interventions, playing a significant role in informing decisions about resource allocation and rationing within healthcare systems. At its core, a QALY represents 1 year of life lived in perfect health. It combines both the quantity and the quality of life into a single number. To calculate a QALY, the number of years a treatment adds to a person's life is multiplied by a utility value that reflects the quality of those years. This utility value ranges from 0, representing a state equivalent to death, to 1, representing perfect health. So, living for 10 years with a health state valued at 0.5 quality of life would equate to 5 QALYs, providing a standardized way to compare very different health outcomes. Healthcare decision-makers, such as national health organizations or insurance providers, use QALYs to perform cost-effectiveness analyses. By dividing the cost of a medical intervention by the number of QALYs it generates, they can calculate a cost per QALY. This allows them to compare different treatments for different conditions and identify which interventions provide the most health benefit for each dollar spent. For example, if treatment A costs $20,000 and adds 1 QALY, while treatment B costs $40,000 and adds 2 QALYs, both have the same cost per QALY, suggesting similar efficiency. An interesting aspect of QALY measurement is the debate around assigning those utility values. These values are often derived from surveys where individuals are asked to rate different health states or make trade-offs. For instance, how many years of impaired health they would exchange for fewer years of perfect health. This process, while aiming for objectivity, highlights the challenge of standardizing subjective experiences of health and well-being. Ultimately, the QALY framework offers a structured, transparent, and quantifiable method for comparing diverse health outcomes, allowing healthcare systems to make informed, albeit often difficult, choices about how to best allocate finite resources. This helps to ensure that investments lead to the greatest possible improvement in population health, balancing the ethical imperative to provide care with the practical realities of limited budgets.